Welcome to English Children, Honeycomb, the poetry section. The first poem, The Squirrel, by Mildred Bowers Armstrong. Before the poem, let us see about the poet. She was from 1901 to 1984. Mildred Bowers earned her bachelor's degree from Northwestern University in 1923. She also studied at Mount Holyoke College, the University of Chicago, and the University of Wisconsin. Bowers titled her first volume of poetry Twist O Smoke, after the pseudonym she used in college. Twist O Smoke won the 1928 Yale Younger Poets Prize and was published by Yale University Press. Bowers also published verse in periodicals under her married name Mildred Armstrong. Now we come to the poem. Before we start the poem, you can see a question that will tell you what the poem is about. Let us read. You may have seen a squirrel sitting on the ground eating a nut. What did it look like? So here's the poet's description of such a squirrel. So this poem will tell you or will answer that question. Let us read the poem. He wore a question mark for tail, an overcoat of grey. He sat up straight to eat a nut. He liked to tease and play. And if we ran around his tree, he went the other way. Let us read again. He wore a question mark for tail, an overcoat of grey. He sat up straight to eat a nut. He liked to tease and play. And if we ran around his tree, he went the other way. Okay, children, see here. He wore a question mark for tail. Now, children, he wore a question mark for tail. It doesn't mean that, like a jacket or anything he is putting on. It simply means that he is having a tail. And that seems like a question mark. So it means he wore a question mark for tail. He was bearing a tail, which was like symbol of a question mark. An overcoat of grey. Now again, this means it refers to the color of his body or the skin. It is grey in color. He sat up straight to eat a nut. When a squirrel eats, he sits straight. So that is why it is said, he sat up straight to eat a nut. He liked to tease and play. Now see, children, squirrel is a very playful animal. And it likes to play with people when you throw a nut towards it so that it could eat or any other thing. It would come near you and would run away the moment you go near it. So it is said, and if we ran around his tree, he went the other way. So firstly, he will try to take your attention towards itself. And then when you go to catch the particular animal or the squirrel, it will run up the tree. So he wore a question mark for tail. He had a question mark and it was in the shape of a question mark, a tail. An overcoat of grey. The color of his skin was grey. He sat up straight to eat a nut. When he sat straight while eating. He liked to tease and play. He liked to attract your attention and play with you. And if you ran around his tree, he would run the other way. So the moment you go to catch it, it will run up the tree. Now, there were a few words. You need to know the meanings. Let us see. The first word was overcoat. It is a long warm coat. It has another meaning, a top or final layer of paint or a similar covering. We have tease, make fun of or attempt to provoke a person or animal in a playful way. Let us go for the summary of the poem. In the poem, The Squirrel, the poet Mildred Bowers Armstrong describes a squirrel that he observes in his garden. The poet describes how the squirrel covered in grey fur sits in an upright position on a tree branch eating a nut. His tail looks like a question mark because of its bent shape. The happy and lively squirrel loves to play with the poet and her friends. Whenever they ran around his tree, he would run to the other side of the tree. The poet tells us about the nature of the squirrel, that it is innocently naughty and likes to tease anyone who comes near him. So, this was the summary of the poem. We better read the poem, then go for the summary so that we can understand. Hope you children understood the poem. Thank you for watching.